My name is Tim Ruppert. I own a company in town, Ruppert Incorporated. I was born and raised in Truckee, started the business in 2006. We've raised it from a handful of guys to about 50 employees. We occupy roughly 4 or 5 acres of prime real estate that's on the river. I feel like change is inevitable. It's gonna happen. And so I think that I can be a part of what that change is and represent business owners and property owners so that this change can be beneficial for the community. We want to be proactive in this decision-making process on what happens to this West River corridor. This committee is comprised of a lot of very diverse members. There's a handful of business owners. I'm one of really 2 business owners on the West River Street section, but there is other property owners that are business owners as well. I feel that this committee is doing a good job of finding a balance of what is wanted of this corridor and the needs of the river and this area. We have an opportunity to be proactive and work with the town and build something that can be better.